Apple cider braised pork on Spätzle. Let's make it. Okay, first remove this without cutting yourself. We've got 3 pounds of pork shoulder here. I'm going to cut it into larger chunks. Some oil, and in goes the meat. And the goal here is to get a really nice sear on it. That's looking pretty good. And while that's going, I'm going to chop up an onion. Okay, now I'm going to turn it down to low, to medium low. Get these guys out of there. They're nice and browned. Smells great. And then go the onions. Tear up some fresh sage. Oh, that smells so good. Apple cider. You want to use hard apple cider. It gives it a better flavor. It's not as sweet. Deglaze the pan because you want all the yummy stuff. That really is starting to smell good. Salt. Pepper. Add the pork back in. And of course, the accumulated juices. Bring it up to a simmer. Put it on low. And cover it. And let it cook for about an hour and a half. All right, it's been cooking for about 2 hours now. Oh, it's really nice and tender. So I'm going to take the pork out. Give it a taste. Oh my God. That's really good, but I think it could use a little bit apple cider vinegar. Wowzers. That is way better. And add some heavy cream. Add the meat back in. Oh, with all those juices, yes. Let that come up to a simmer again. Let it cook for another couple minutes. Put some butter in my pan. Put in some Spätzle. Oh man, look at that. That looks so yummy. Just the Spätzle. Some pork on top. Some of that beautiful sauce. Pork is so tender. The flavor is just unbelievable. The Spätzle. This is out of this world. You should try this.